Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious meatless stew. First, focus on building a strong foundation. A great stew begins with a flavorful broth, like vegetable or mushroom, providing a savory base. Next, select a diverse array of fresh vegetables for varied textures and tastes. Don't forget to include legumes or grains, such as lentils or barley, to add satisfying protein and make your stew truly hearty and filling. Finally, aromatic herbs and spices are key to developing a rich, complex flavor profile. When selecting your ingredients, think about balance. Root vegetables like carrots, potatoes, and parsnips offer natural sweetness and body. For a nutritional boost, incorporate leafy greens such as spinach or kale towards the end of cooking. Mushrooms like cremini or shiitake are excellent for adding a deep umami flavor and a satisfying, almost meaty texture. Remember to wash, peel, and chop all your vegetables into roughly 1-inch pieces for even cooking. Now let's get cooking. Begin by sautéing your aromatics, such as 1 medium onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic, in a tablespoon of olive oil until they are fragrant and softened. Next, add your harder vegetables like potatoes and carrots, allowing them to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Then, pour in 4 to 6 cups of your chosen broth, bringing the mixture to a gentle simmer. Continue cooking for 20 to 30 minutes, or until all vegetables are tender and the flavors have fully melded together. To perfect your stew, it's all about the finishing touches. Taste and adjust the seasonings with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and perhaps a pinch of dried thyme or rosemary. A small splash of lemon juice or apple cider vinegar can brighten the entire dish, adding a lovely tang. Before serving, let the stew rest off the heat for about 10 minutes. This allows the flavors to deepen even further. Finally, garnish with fresh chopped parsley or a dollop of vegan sour cream for an inviting presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.